Morning, Lexi. How you doing?
Good morning. I'm great.
Okay, did you think about the haircut that you're gonna do today?
Yeah, thought about it all night.
All right, you're not nervous?
No.
Good. So, for your first test, replicate what we did yesterday. So this is what we did yesterday. Remember? So I'm gonna take it slightly easy on you. You don't have to do both sides of the head, so that means you don't have to do the full haircut. But I definitely want you to do the top and at least one side and the back on this mannequin head.
But I have a thing for you though. If I do really good today and I pass, I get to color one of your eyebrows black. Okay, let's go.
All right.
All right. All right, let's do it. Let's do it.
Good.
This was the side from yesterday, but I'm doing a little bit different than that, right? Okay, yeah, I was gonna say I'm not matching this side. Okay, perfect.
I could really use that Starbucks drink right now. Is this a clipper or a trim? I honestly already forgot which one this is, which is not good. Cannot let them know that I don't know. Everyone's watching me in silence right now. I'm kind of scared. I don't know why, but stabbing it like that into the hair, it feels a little bit illegal. And I'm hungry, and I don't know what I'm gonna do for dinner tonight. All I know is the barbering community better watch out, because I'm kind of getting the hang of this. Like, look at that. I mean, is that a line though?
So Lexi, what are you doing?
Right now I'm doing corner blending with my Gamma Protege clipper. And I just do this until like I'm happy with the way it looks.
Yep.
Okay. What do you do for someone that has sensitive skin? Like
You apply less pressure.
apply less pressure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, am I a good teacher or am I a good teacher?
I think you're a good teacher.
So Hunter, how we feeling?
Man, I've been watching through the glass. I'm feeling pretty confident. I am hopeful, absolutely. I love her. I want this to work out. I would love to continue and have a great drive home or get some dinner. But if my hair is chopped, I'm driving back by myself or getting an Uber. So really, the pressure is on her. It's on her.
So Lexi, this is your final test.
Yep.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Don't forget the things that we spoke about yesterday, the things that we went over. All right. I kind of feel like you got this.
I kind of feel like your eyebrow's gonna be black.
Good luck.
Well, thank you. I forget everything. Whew, the silence. Yeah, where was that pump up?
Yeah. Holy smokes, I'm no joke out the bullpen. Bringing
Ready.
nothing but heat.
We're just gonna be texturizing his. So we don't really want to remove much length. In the back, I'm gonna be going a little bit deeper just because we want it to be a little bit shorter back here, but keeping the length in the front. Does this sound scary you?
A little bit.
Good. He has like a little bit more length right there. Yeah, and I'm already feeling comfortable though, so that's a good sign. Especially with like I was saying earlier, like holding the comb with the clipper was something I struggled with, especially at the start. But now I'm feeling a lot better with that. It's actually kind of fun to texturize with the clipper, although it does just sound a little bit scarier. It's not. It's also nice working on like real. It's a little bit different. I haven't got to the sides yet, but like with the real hair, like up here, I'm just gonna remove a little bit of like this length and texturize that rather than. No, but if you would have told me though when I was in cosmetology school that I'd be, or like even like a couple of years ago that I would ever even learn men's haircut and take that step to do it, I don't know if I would have thought that I would ever do it, but here we are. And I'm very glad that I did. So Hunter's actually, he's never had his hair cut short before. Like his sides, what's the shortest you've ever done on the side?
Shortest, I'm gonna do like a 6, maybe all the way around. So,
Yeah.
except for that one time, that baseball haircut.
Oh yeah, the one that traumatized you.
You said except that one time at
Well, this is a 6, so I'm actually feeling pretty good.
Yep, that's how far
About right there?
come up with
Okay.
with the clipper.
And I'm just gonna, I'm sorry, Hunter.
You gotta make sure it's not doing that.
So now I'm actually gonna switch this one to the shorty. And this is where I realized that having the different tools is necessary. And then I'm gonna go and continue this. And it's a lot quieter, so it doesn't scare Hunter since it's his first time.
Tell a little more. Go back up.
Perfect. Are you scared to see yourself?
I am scared to see, but I think you did good. I do. I have faith.
I did a really good job.
I've heard good things in the room.
Yeah.
So unless there's a lot of gaslighting.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you can see it in like the lights.
Man, that looks good.
Yeah? I want you to see.
I actually really like
It looks really good.
Let me see the back.
I want you to see the back.
Show me the back. Oh, it looks clean.
Yep.
Okay, so the big question is,
That was a good idea.
Are you staying or are you walking through these doors, bro?
Yay!
So Lexi, I'm super impressed with what you did. This looks phenomenal. Everything from your clipper choicing, everything from your blending, everything from your transition. It just looks amazing. So I'm super proud of you, okay? A couple of things I do want to mention is, one, never stop. Continue practicing every day, right? Even if you feel like you want to give up, just continue pushing through. Because the more you do, the better you're gonna get. They usually say your first 100 times is just practice. After your 100, that's when you start to perfect it.
Yeah.
All right? So if you have any questions, you know where to find me.
Alrighty. Sounds good. Thank you so much. I'm a pro now. Worst barber.
all right, I hope you've enjoyed this production. I certainly have. I've been behind the camera the whole time, watching you grow, watching you learn, and actually I've been feeling inspired as well. So earlier in the production, we asked you what your top picks were, and now that you've had some time to work with each and every one of these, have they changed?
I definitely think I would go with the shorty now for my clippers, just because I used it for a lot more of that detail work on the sides. I like how it's like a little bit quieter too, personally, but yeah, I love that one. As far as trimmers, I would probably go with the Protege, because I use that one around the ear. It has that, yeah, so.
Awesome. And then your saver, I guess we'll go with the instant since it's the one we have here. So we were definitely inspired by your courage to step up and do something out of the norm. And because of that, we wanted to surprise you and tell you that we have actually gifted all of these to you. So you can have all of them.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So one of the other things we wanted to do was check back with her after she's had some time to kind of experiment with all of these and see if her picks have changed. And for any of the other hairstylists that might be out there watching this, just hopefully you feel encouraged and inspired by her to step up and give this a try for yourself.
Yeah, you definitely should. I feel much better and more inspired. But yeah, cool. Thank you so much.